Alright guys, what's going on? I'm going to do a video for you today. By the time that you guys hear this video, it will be about a week or two from now. I'm going to be traveling to Europe within the next few days, so I'm pre-making these videos, and then during the time that I'm going to be away, Nick will be uploading them to the YouTube channel for you guys, just because it's going to be a little difficult to upload some content while I'm overseas. So decided to make a video today. I'll probably make one tomorrow as well, just so I have at least one or two for you guys while I'm away, just to show you guys some stuff. I was thinking about doing a recap today, but I decided not to. I'll go a little bit into my trades for the overall day, but I saw a really good lesson for the overall day today, and I just really wanted to share it with you guys. As far as this kind of video, this is going to be more related to large cap trading and options. As far as penny stocks, low cap, low float stocks, I'm sure that we could do a video like that in the future. But the main point of this video is going to be me explaining to you guys the what makes it not a good day to trade. Why today would have been a good day to sit out, and I'm gonna go over that in just a second. But after my morning ended, I ended red on the day today. And I'm gonna be real with you guys. I'm not gonna blame anyone else but myself. I made a mistake today. I shouldn't have traded. So I'll dive into that in just a second. But like I said, Nick's gonna be posting this, while I'm away. So once you hear this, I'll be in Europe, and then when I get back, guys, before you know it, we'll be streaming again. So July 15th, just a reminder, special day. We will be back streaming on YouTube for you guys. So mark that in your calendars. Make sure you guys are ready for that. A lot of you guys are starting to DM me. You're really excited to see us back on the streams. I really miss a lot of you guys. We really had a lot of fun. And over the past few months that we haven't been streaming, been working really hard. Been getting a lot of exercise, something I really want to get back into as well. So, instead of just sitting at the computer, the past few years, been getting a little lazy, kind of just sitting at the computer all day. So decided to hit the gym again, start playing basketball again. I could dunk now, by the way. So I don't know if that's something crazy or not, but just throw it out there. Maybe one day one of us will start doing a 1v1 and I'll show you. All right, guys. But anyway, I'm gonna dive into this video now. I'm not gonna make it too long. So overall for today, I'm just gonna say the date because it's not gonna be posted today. So today is Wednesday, June 19th. You guys can come back to this day and look at the chart as a reference. But just to tell you guys, what day it is. So Wednesday, June 19th, once again. So today, this is the SPY right here. And as you guys can see, coming very, very close to all-time highs. We had these lows all the way in December, climbed all the way back up, had a little bit of a choppiness over here. And we're just there, guys. Just about hit all-time highs. Market doing pretty well. So this is the SPY right here. You guys can see. Now, what you guys can see here on the SPY, this is yesterday and this is today, Wednesday, June 19th. As you guys can see, we didn't get any sort of gap up or gap down. This is after hours. This is pre-market. Like I said, no gap up or gap down. Kind of just opening in pre-market where we left off on after hours. So kind of just opening flat. We were pretty much flat once after hours started up on Tuesday yesterday, and we opened up today, and the Feds, they were going. This is why you see the big candle here. We were waiting for the Feds to release their decision at 2 p.m. So right here at 2 p.m. you guys can see decision came out, and we got some sort of move, but the main point that I'm trying to say, guys, and now before I get into this, guys, before you guys start, calling me dumb, saying, oh, you still could have made money today. Yes, you can. You can make money every single day. There's always opportunities to make money. But let me put it this way. If you guys are a football player, you guys could be, or even basketball, we'll do football though. If you guys are a football player, you could be playing out in thunderstorms, and maybe you'll score a few touchdowns, but it's definitely going to be a lot more difficult. Or you could be playing on a nice sunny day, no wind, and score more touchdowns, be a lot more consistent. So same thing here, guys. The overall market conditions, yes, you could still make money on moves, but on days where there's a lot of uncertainty in the market, as far as today, with the Feds releasing their decision at 2 o'clock, I kind of had the idea that the market would kind of be flat today, especially we didn't gap up or down, just kind of opened where we left off yesterday. And you guys could even see here the daily range is just very, very small. So you guys can see here on the level 2, the low 291.50, the high 293.65. So we opened here. I'm just going to put in the pre-market high and low just so I'll just mark it up quick. So pre-market high, pre-market low. We open up, we get a dip on the SPY. We hold 292. We come back up, only about 60 cents. We come on back down, we hold that low. So, you can see the range, guys. It's really not too wide. We're hitting, the high day, which is right here. Couldn't break it. Come on back down. Try to break a low. Can't break it. Get a double bottom. Climb on back up. Go down. Break a new low. And then the 2 p.m. hits. News comes out. And we get some sort of direction. But the whole point I'm trying to say, guys, is that you don't want to be, forcing any trades, especially if you're not prepared on a day like today. Now, this isn't the only day you're going to see a choppy market. It happens all the time. Not every day. But I just really want to get this, through to a lot of you guys because, I've been seeing this my whole life. I was this way in the beginning, but, I was able to adapt to it. I just really want to let you guys know you don't have to trade every single day. There's really no reason to. I'm going to be honest. I shouldn't have traded today. I took a loss, had a red day, so, I have to learn from that. Wasn't being disciplined enough. I knew that the market was overall going to be this kind of choppy, not really huge range, just kind of moving around because of that uncertainty in the market. So I just lost my train of thought. I'm sorry. So yeah, guys, you don't have to trade every single day. If you're, let's go to a different day. So like this yesterday, you guys can see, gap up in pre-market. Get a very nice move to the upside. Very nice move. About a 2-point move in the first, 15 minutes? That's a nice move there. And then you got some sort of range. But, as far as today, opening kind of flat. Nothing too crazy going on. So when you guys are seeing something like this, not too much range, not one direction, just kind of chopping, hitting high a day, coming back down, bouncing off the low a day. That's not really the ideal situation that you guys want to be in, especially for small accounts. If you guys can't be scalping, if you guys have a bigger account and you guys are scalping with a bigger position, then yeah, you could make money. But for small accounts that are trying to hold out for a little longer and get a nice move, the premium is just going to get chewed up if you're just going flat for the whole day. So, it's just something I really wanted to share with you guys, and I'll show you. On my trade today, I traded NVIDIA today, and you guys can see, following the overall market, kind of the same thing here, just a little choppy, not too much going on. Pre-market low, pre-market high. The open, and I'm sorry guys if you guys could hear birds chirping. I live right next to a preserve, so there's always birds chirping. I hope it's not too loud, and if it is, I'll listen back to it, and I'll edit it out if I can. But anyway, NVIDIA today, you guys can see, and it's not just, NVIDIA, it's not just the S&P. The overall market today, for the most part, was just very choppy and flat. So you guys can see right here. Start of the day, we come on down, break below pre-market low. I had this line in right here. You guys can see this 152.45. It should really be 152.50, but we were holding this, and we actually continue to hold. We actually never even broke below it. We were wicking below it. This is the 5-minute chart. So the entry I was looking for on NVIDIA today was to get long off of this 152.50. It should have been a winner, but I didn't really have the best entry, and I wasn't really even looking to sell up here. I kind of wanted a little higher, so there wasn't really enough for me to take profit. I was up in profit. I guess on a day like today, that's a mistake that I made, knowing that the range would be kind of tight, that I should just take whatever profit I had, and that's a mistake that I made, so I got to live up to that. So of course, it comes on back down here. I ended up losing on it. Overall, this held this mark the whole morning, but you guys could see, once we break below this pre-market low, just holding below it. And then 2 p.m. right here, this big green candle feds. Decision comes out, get a nice move, come on back down. These are just, it just happens, guys. There's days where you're not going to get, a big move in either direction. It's just kind of going to be confined into about $1 range here on NVIDIA, which is very small. Not what you guys want to see if you're trying to hold out for a few bucks. And if it's just chopping around for the whole day, then those premiums are just going to get chewed up. So that's what you saw here on NVIDIA today. Overall, I still like how it's holding this 152.50, but by the time you guys see this video, I'm sure it's either going to be cracked below that or above this 155. So, but this is just to show you guys examples of, when not to trade. And I'm not forcing you guys not to trade. I'm just, I just want to look out for you. You guys could learn from my mistakes, my losses. I'm going to be real with you guys. I'm not going to have you trade on days like these knowing that there's not that much opportunity. And yeah, you could make money, of course. Like I said earlier, you could scalp it, bigger shares. I wasn't even huge on the positions, so it wasn't even a big loss for the day. It was red, so I still got to count it as a red day. But, we could look through some other stocks too. It's probably going to be the same thing. Netflix here, pretty choppy day. You guys can see here, pretty much same thing. This had a pretty decent uptrend, but you can see throughout the day just so much chop. These big red candles getting to a new high, breaks a new high, just that. Same thing here, Amazon. I don't really trade Amazon that much, but just to give you guys an idea, just to show you. Fall at the open, get this washout. You could have, you guys can play these washout longs, but what are you gonna really get after that, right? Not that big of a move. You get a $10 range here, and then once 2 o'clock hits, these stocks, they make that move. And so one I've been watching, actually, I'll just go over real quick, is BYND, Beyond Meat. This one's crazy, guys. Doesn't really have anything to do with the video, but just kind of to show you. This IPO'd back in May, and this was at like 45 bucks. Just a really crazy move on it. So this one just hit 200 the other day. Now we're back at 168. So overall holding this 160 mark, but I don't know, just to show you guys. Well, the whole point is for me to explain to you guys. I know I already said it a few times, but I really wanted to get through you guys' heads. You don't have to trade every single day. Trust me when I say that. You don't have to force the trade. A+ setups only. No reason to get into bad trades. And I even do it sometimes myself as well. I won't take A+ setups all the time. I'm not going to lie to you. Anyone that says that they only take A+ setups and, sometimes they don't take non-niche, they would be lying. I take non-niche sometimes. It happens. I got to break the rules sometimes, and, that's where I end up losing, so I got to learn from that. But, in the end, it makes you a better trader, guys. So, that's pretty much it. I just really wanted to show you guys. Today was a really good example of a day that you shouldn't trade. Like I said, I'm not telling you not to trade, but I'm just giving you, a better idea of how to protect yourself, especially some of you guys with smaller accounts. And like I said, this really only has to do with these large caps for today. I don't really look at penny stocks that much anymore. I'll check up on them sometimes just because I've been trading them for a couple of years for that long, so it's hard for me not to look at them. And I talk to Nick every single day, so obviously I'm going to be hearing about them because he trades penny stocks. But like I said, we'll probably do a video on that in the future on the right time to trade those, and when's not a good time. But that's a totally separate video. As far as today, you guys can see no range days, no trades. It's pretty simple as that. Just really cool moments here on the SPY that we're coming up to all-time highs. We're either going to hit this top here and turn on back around, or we're just going to blow right through it, hit a new high, keep moving, maybe up to 3,000. Just another thing, guys. I love making videos for you. Any ideas that you guys have for videos? It doesn't even have to be just trading related. Just anything that you guys want to know about me, about Nick, velocity trading, anything, guys. Don't feel afraid to ask. I'm always open to new ideas. So if you guys have any ideas for videos, feel free. 100%. I'm always open to that. You can put it in the comments. You can DM either Nick or myself on Twitter, Discord. I'll put the link for Discord in the description if you're a first-time listener right now. We have over 1,000 members in there, 100% free. We have an options room in there. We also have a main trading room, which is for pretty much everything, but mostly penny stocks. So I really would like to see more options traders in the room. For the most part, we are mostly penny stock traders that make up most of the room, but we do have a good amount of really well-talented options traders. So I want to give a shout out to Ames, AC. AC's been on fire, so big shout out to you, bud, in the options room. But that's pretty much it, guys. It's probably to cover up the video for today. Like I said, once you hear this, it'll be in a week or two from now, so don't get confused by the chart. Today is Wednesday, June 19th, just to let you know again. And I'll probably be recording a video tomorrow just so Nick can upload one or two of those while I'm away, just so you guys can get some content. I know you guys love that content. So, all right, that's enough of that. If I missed anything, guys, feel free. Always, put something in the comments. Ask me, DM me, whatever it is. If you didn't really understand it, if I missed something, I'm only human. Sometimes I miss out on stuff. So, if you guys want to ask me any questions, like I said, feel free. Always welcome. And that's going to take care of the video, guys. Peace.